Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Subaru WRX Club Spec. Stock reference number 4560. This shape runs from the 4th month 2007 through to the 12th month 2013. It has an EJ25 Turbo, 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. Bonnet appears to have no damage. WRX radiator grille, club spec front bar, Xenon headlight, right hand fog light, left hand Xenon headlight, left hand fog light. Left guard appears to have no damage. This car is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has 3 small dents, left rear door has 2 small dents. Left hand sill skirt. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Not much has survived on the rear end. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre. Right hand side skirt. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right guard also appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Has the orange WRX embroidered in the seats, Recaro style seats. We have a 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.